Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. To do this, first go to the official Dubai Islamic Bank website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on Relationship Summary. You will then see the card section. Select the debit card you want to activate. Under the card details, you'll find the option to activate card and set PIN. Now click on this option. Next, you will need to enter the PIN number you want for your card and then re-enter it to confirm. After this, click on the Continue option. You will receive a one-time password OTP on your registered phone number. Enter the OTP and click Confirm. That's it. Your Dubai Islamic Bank debit card is now activated and your new PIN has been set. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.